What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Flying Brian's Garage. Today, last couple videos I had got the Lumina here. We got her running, and today we're going to clean it up and get it ready for being back on the road again. Get it all shined up and nice, and tires aired up, and everything, fluids checked, all that good stuff. So, with that being said, let's get into the video. Alright, so just ran the car for a few minutes. Just see how she was running today. Running pretty good. Check the start. See about fluids. Brake fluid looks good. Do the old wipe it on the pants. If anybody wonders why I wear junk ass pants on camera, well, there's your answer. Oh, that was good. Right there at the fourth mark. Yep. Power steering's good. Coolant reservoir is good. I know the coolant's good because I checked it yesterday. And shit was topped off. And then, all I gotta do is check transfer. I gotta start it for that. Already warmed up, so we'll pump it out till it needs a little bit cleaner though. Moving a little slow today. Oh, there's thunder. That might just be slowing me down just a little bit more. It's hot. It's real hot down here. About 100 degrees out probably. And then humidity's ridiculous, and I'm just not feeling it today. I had some this STP multi-purpose ATF. That's what I had in the shop. It is vehicle specific for GMs, older GMs at that. This trans is a 4 T60E, which is in the family of other GM transmissions, of course, but it's the front wheel drive, as most people know. Alright, let's pull this, fire up the car, and check the level. Camera's a little foggy because I just pulled it out of the AC, but carpets are kind of dirty and in need of the car's in need of a little cleaning. So I'm actually going to get the vacuum out. Damn, this thing keeps fogging up. I'm actually going to get the vacuum out and start cleaning the car up. So let's get to it. Alright, we got all one side all vacuumed and cleaned up. This really is a clean car. I still got to get the door jambs and everything. And I still got to get that stain out of the seat. There's one side done. Now we'll move on to the other side. Alright. The other side is done. Looks pretty good. A few stains in the seats I need to get out. And then I got the rear as well. Like I said, still got to get door jambs and all that good stuff. I'm probably going to go ahead and get them real quick, then I'm going to stick it out here because it's about to rain. I'm going to pull this up in here because I got some work to do to it again, and then tomorrow we'll give it a bath. So before we put her up for the night, I actually went ahead and wiped out these door jambs. They look a lot better. They look a lot better. I need to try to go ahead and get stains out of the seats real quick. Last update till tomorrow. Stains. All gone. Everything's nice and clean. Except for the outside. But like I said, it's about to rain, so I'm just going to let rain do its job. These floor mats are original and they're a little dirty, but other than that, yeah, she's looking good. So, was gonna do a little wash video for you guys, but had to do it in a hurry. She's gonna be, or my wife, as I should say, is gonna be taking the car to work, and she works a few towns over, so I went ahead and washed it up, got the inside nice and good, and everything's ready. But I actually washed all cars today. Washed the town car up, but yeah, I washed the Lumina. I found some mats that match. They were 100% clean, but her stuff's in the back now, but Still a little bit of a stain in the seat there. See the matching mats. That's what the car looks like clean. Got the steering wheel cover finally fixed in place where it's not sliding around on me. Wheels actually ain't too bad when they're cleaned up. They're actually Pontiac Aztec wheels off of the all-wheel drive VersaTrack version. And what I did was I just painted them black. But I know I need to get a tire, and I need to get that soon. But she sure cleans up good. I mean, it's a good looking, good sounding car. If you hear anything in the background, that's my van up there running, letting the battery charge. But I'll fire this thing up real quick for you guys. There's the motor. Got a little bit of carpet messed up on the back window piece, but you know, it's an old car. Sounds good. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go down there, leave it a like. Comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say something in general. You know, go check out the Facebook, Instagram, and the Snapchat if you're into all that. And until then, we'll see you guys on the next episode.